Okay, in this video I will show you how you can use NordVPN together with Adguard Home on your phone for better privacy. So let's begin. So, if you have a NordVPN subscription, you also get a feature called MeshNet. And with the MeshNet feature, you can get to your own computer, your own devices. You can share files and use the computer as a server and get to it from all your devices with NordVPN MeshNet. And everything is a very safe, encrypted way. And the MeshNet feature is what we will use to get to your Adguard Home. I will not go into more detail about what NordVPN MeshNet is or what Adguard Home is in this video, but maybe in another video if you want me to show you what NordVPN MeshNet can do and Adguard Home. But in this video I will only show you how you can use them together on your phone. So let's go to my table cam where I have my iPhone. I have my iPhone here with NordVPN installed and running, as you can see. So let's zoom in on the iPhone a bit so we can see it better. Maybe so. That is a great zoom, I think. I will not show you the MeshNet IP addresses because it's obvious why I will not show my MeshNet IP addresses, but it's important to know that down here you see that you are connected and you also see that you have MeshNet on. So if we go into MeshNet, here we have the MeshNet addresses by clicking on Manage Devices. Here we have all my network mesh devices. And of course I will blur these addresses so you can't see them. But if you have MeshNet on, you see all your devices that you can share between here. And if you're connected to NordVPN, you can do that. So now you only need to have NordVPN on the same computer as you run Adguard Home on. And the NordVPN on that computer need to have MeshNet on too. So let's go to my desktop here. Here we see my NordVPN on my Mac, and as you can see at the top I have MeshNet on here, the same button as you saw on my iPhone. So MeshNet is running on this computer. So, and as you can see I am connected here. So MeshNet is on and I am connected. That means that if we go back to my table cam, I will have that computer available. And if you find your computer that has that MeshNet IP address, then you should copy that into your memory by clicking copy. Now you have that IP address copied in the memory of your phone. So now we can go back to NordVPN start page here. Now we have the MeshNet IP address from your computer where you have Adguard Home installed. It's important to know that you should copy the IP address from the computer where you have Adguard Home installed with NordVPN MeshNet running. That was what I did here. Now you should go into Settings, and here in the settings you should choose protocol NordLynx. You need to have NordLynx protocol. It will not work with IKE version 2. It will not work with OpenVPN or so on. So here at the bottom you see that you can use another DNS address. By using NordLynx protocol, you can add another DNS address at the bottom. There you should paste in the MeshNet address you copied from the MeshNet settings. So the address you copied should paste on that row, and then you should click save. So after that, it will now run NordVPN MeshNet on your phone and uses Adguard Home as your DNS provider, because you added that address at the bottom of the settings on your NordLynx protocol. You use an external DNS address, and that is your own, from your own computer at home, running NordVPN MeshNet. That address is what you should paste there. So now it will use Adguard Home with DNS filtering and ad blocking and a lot more. So you can do a lot of settings in Adguard Home, filtering, adding block list and everything. And your iPhone in this case will use that server, your Adguard Home server at home. It will use that together with NordVPN. It works brilliantly actually. So that is how easy it is to activate Adguard Home in NordVPN settings if you use this MeshNet feature of NordVPN. So the only important thing is that you should copy the IP address, the same IP address that you have on the computer that is running Adguard Home. So the MeshNet IP address from that computer that runs Adguard Home, copy that, paste it into the NordLynx protocol external DNS server. That field should have your IP address from the Adguard Home MeshNet IP address, and then click save. And that is everything you need to do. You should always have NordVPN running and have Adguard Home at home always on your Mac or PC, and NordVPN on that computer running MeshNet. Everything works seamlessly after that. Then you can do a lot of settings in Adguard Home after that, how much you want, and it works on your phone. And this works also on my iPad running NordVPN MeshNet. It works on an Android phone if you have that with NordVPN MeshNet. It works on all devices that can run NordVPN MeshNet. So I think that was it for this video. So, okay, we run the outro now. Bye.